Hi, mga friendships. How are you? Again, we are here in Campestuhan Valley. And as you can see,
Anong valley? Campestuhan Mountain
a
Resort.
mountain resort. Oh, I'm so sorry.
Mountain Resort.
And look. Hi, mga baby.
There's alawas-lawas.
Ah, yan, may baby boy.
There's alawas-lawas pero charara.
Gaga, carry na siya sa akin.
Not for me.
Look, the view is so beautiful.
Oh. See?
see
Most
that?
especially me.
There's two mountains.
And there is Akai from Mobile Legends.
Ano ba legend yan?
Mobile Legends na character. Si Akai or si Kung Fu Panda.
Dude, our hair is messy right now. I'm so sorry. Because you know, if you are in a resort, there is no spa
Oh,
here.
there's a flying monkey. There.
Hey! Baby boy! Pag nahulog ka dyan, I'm going to catch you. Okay? You see that? Our view here is beautiful and...
Hindi ko pa nawag ko kang Gaga ako.
Ow! Someone is calling us. Who are they?
Gaga?
Oh, si Gaga. Someone is calling us. I'm going to stop the video right now.